Hello everybody and a warm welcome back to the Behind the Skies channel once again. I hope you are having a fantastic day so far. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Cat3Designs Airbus tiller for lots of different simulators. So be sure to hit like and subscribe, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and let's get right into it. Firstly, a massive shout out to the team at Cat3Designs. They were kind enough to send out one of their tiller products for me to showcase on the channel. So a massive thank you to Cat3Designs for supporting the channel. Okay then, as you can see, the tiller arrived in a nice strong box, and it was also wrapped in plenty of bubble wrap. I definitely didn't have any concerns that it might get damaged during shipping, which is always a win. First impressions are really good. Looks like it's really well made with high quality materials. Let's take a deeper look. Okay then, here is the tiller in its full glory. As you can see, the range of motion is really good, feels really nice when you move it around, which is always good. The pedal disconnect button, in my opinion, does feel quite flimsy. There is a potential that you could damage it if you press it too hard, but it definitely does the job. In the version I have, my tiller includes a 4-way switch, perfect for moving your camera while taxiing. Feels really good and is a really nice addition to have. The material on the tiller itself is really good. It is high quality plastic and it feels really nice in your hand. The material on the base itself gives you that leather feel, feels really good, nice high quality, and really does remind me of an Airbus A320. Setting up your tiller is very easy. All you do is go into the game controllers section of your Windows computer, select your Cat3Design A320 tiller, click properties. You will then get this screen here, and then we're going to want to go into the settings where you'll see game controller calibration. Click calibrate, and that opens up the wizard. Click next, and then we're just going to move the tiller all the way to the left, and then all the way to the right. Click next, finish, and your tiller is all set up and ready to go. If you do have the version with the 4-way hat switch, then you're just going to want to make sure that all the buttons appear here. So there's number 4, number 2, number 1, number 3, and all tillers come with the pedal disconnect button, so click that and you should see number 5 popping up there. Click apply, and then that is calibration all complete. Okay then, let's jump inside of the 𝗙 A320 and take a little ride using the tiller to taxi out to the runway. The tiller feels very comfortable when turning and is a fantastic piece of kit to make your sim much more immersive. As you can see here, the full range of motion for the tiller makes turning so much easier, and it is a fantastic product. All in all, this is a fantastic product, and I would highly recommend you to pick up a tiller for yourself. And that's it, my review on the Cat3Designs tiller. Once again, thank you very much to Cat3Designs for sending out a tiller to review. If you are interested in picking it up for yourself, the link is in the description down below. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next one. See ya.